Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Biotech Showcase 2012, and I have Frank Oakes of Stellar Biotechnologies, symbol KLH on the TSX Venture Exchange. Frank, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you. It's a real pleasure to be here.
Well, we've had members of your company on before, but we've never had the CEO, so double welcome.
Well, thank you very much. Again, it's a pleasure.
So you're the founder.
I was founder 15 years ago.
So tell me how it happened.
Well, my background is marine aquaculture, growing shellfish, and I was approached by a vaccine company, believe it or not, that it was getting KLH from a marine animal in California, and the diver that was getting the animal lost his boat, and they came shopping for a new source.
So the guy lost his boat. This is like Lou Gehrig at first base.
A little bit. It's a little bit like that, and a little bit like somebody that didn't get out of the bar early enough.
Okay, we won't go down that road. So tell me, for the audience, what is it that you do, and where does your product come from?
Well, we're a resource-based company that produces a valuable marine protein used in cancer vaccines and immune therapies that comes from the blood of a marine animal found only here in California in the waters off the Pacific coast. We extract the protein non-lethally. We don't hurt the animal in the process. We purify it into a vaccine-grade product and sell it to vaccine developers, and also sell it in injectable form for stimulating the human immune system.
How did you find this? What is it, a clam, right?
Well, it's not a clam. It's a shellfish, though. It's a limpet, a single-shelled animal that kind of crawls around on the rocks.
Crawls around on the rocks. Well, how did you guys discover that this ingredient existed?
We didn't discover it. It was discovered 50 years ago by immune scientists studying the immune system, and it was discovered that the protein out of this animal 100% of the time will induce a powerful immune response in a warm-blooded animal. So it became a research tool years and years ago, and only in the last 15 years ago has evolved into a therapeutic tool for use in vaccines and other human therapies.
How large a market is this?
It's a $5 to $10 million market right now, growing towards $50 to $100 million.
And when does it become the billion-dollar market?
Becomes a billion-dollar market as vaccines and other therapeutic compounds get approved by the FDA, a slow process. But it has the potential to be a billion-dollar market because immune therapy is the hot thing in biotech, and this is in the center of immune therapy.
So how does it work? You inject it into the body and the immune system sees it there and goes to attack it, and that's how you measure what the strength of the immune system is?
Well, that's exactly right in one setting. You can use it directly to boost an immune response and then measure that response. That's called immune diagnostics. In immune therapies, it can be used to mount immune response against a disease or a cancer that the body otherwise doesn't see. So you can use it to boost an immune response and couple it with a target antigen from a cancer cell that allows the immune system to see the cell and go out and destroy it. So that's another approach. It can also be used in immune deficiency disorders, people that have suppressed immune systems, to boost an immune response as actually a therapeutic approach to curing a disease.
Excellent. What is your website?
It's stellarbiotech.com.
And ladies and gentlemen, Frank Oakes, Stellar Biotechnologies, KLH on the TSX Venture. Frank, I want to thank you for coming on.
Been a real pleasure.
Glad to have finally met you.
Yeah, perfect.